I think I'll start this job without coffee.
I'll fix his hair some back with this here universal Ford tool. Yeah.
And now we're just gonna add a little bit of coffee. There we go.
I need more!
Is it gonna be a standard or metric? Standard or metric? I don't know!
I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go.
Have you lost your mind?
Hi, bitch.
Oh, yeah!
Say hello to my little friend! What you're looking at is state-of-the-art cutting technology!
Look at that greatness! Yeah! eBay!
If you need a lift, there's one right behind me.
Oh, yeah!
Hey, what's going on today? Well, hey, I wasn't really going to make a video on this because I felt like there's probably a bazillion videos on the tube on like transmission stuff until I tried to take this the seal off, and then I was like, oh, someone might have a question on that. They might have troubles even, and I'll show you what the seal looks like. So this one is the turbo hydromatic, whatever all that other stuff is. And well, anyways, the filter looks like that, right? Okay, that's the top part of it, and the bottom part, who cares? All right, looks like that. But the part that you're probably looking at is this little guy right here. Like, how did you get him out is gonna probably be your question, because everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna use a gasket to seal this on the outside here. Just kind of squirreled on you, distracted a little bit. But no, this guy was flat up in the hole, and what I simply did is I did not use a screwdriver to drive up in there, because this is an aluminum housing, and that's like probably tin or something like that, so it's gonna be a little bit tougher. But I just took my dikes and I just kind of kept on biting the edges of it, if you can see that, and it was flush with the material. And here's my new one. But yeah, you don't want to scuff that up, but you want that little seal and you want to change it out. It comes in the kit, so you just might as well do it. So just keep on working your side cutters with it, and eventually it'll just kind of pop out. It'll kind of deform it and she'll come right out for you. So yeah, check for metal shavings, and this one had just a very little bit. I hear these are really good transmissions. This is bolted up to a 454. Yeah, good stuff. So yep.
Yeah, I got a Hydra bolted up to my stroking eagle thumping Ford 40 overcam with a hydrostatic. That.
Alright, one more little tip for you. Don't go hammering the new one in, because it's very fragile and it will deform very easy. But instead, sacrifice one of your wife's wooden spoons, and you want to stick it up there so it eats some of the vibration. You know, you probably use a mallet too, but wife's spoon is a really good way to protect that. So better her spoon than your ride, right? Make America great, baby.